welcome back to another edition of Bulldog Brothers TV. We got Master Everett here, posted up at Indy Card Exchange. Going to do another vintage basketball card pack busting. We've rated the vintage packs. Last week it was 1991 Fleer basketball. We just went an aisle over into the 1990 Fleer basketball here, and really what we're looking for is this guy, MJ, Michael Jordan. Pulled him out of the Michael Jordan stack here. And so we've got 10 packs that we've been given a deal on for $6. We're gonna crack them open and see what we get. See if we can find that MJ there. Okay, here we go. Moses Malone. Michael Jordan right off the back, and that was a little bit different one than we were looking for, but boom, got us an MJ 1990 Fleer All-Star card. So very cool. We'll set that aside.
Hershey Hawkins.
Okay.
Dallas Shrimp. Robert Parrish.
Eric Lechner.
Traded to
Otis Thorpe. Dominique Wilkins, the human highlight reel. Horace Grant, Harvey Grant, that's Horace's brother. Ron Harper. Rod Higgins. Sidney Green. Lester Connor. Del Curry, Steph's dad. Dale Ellis, I believe he might have played for the Pacers. Tyrone Corbin.
And that's it.
And that's it for pack 1 of 10. So we already scored an MJ. That was our goal. And got it right off the bat. Of course, not the base card we were looking for, but the All-Star card. Very cool retro design there from 1990 Fleer. Master Everett busting packs here.
Alright, Alex English, Sidney Green, Lester Connor, Del
Curry again, Harvey Grant again. It's like we're seeing Ron Harper again. It's like we're seeing double.
Rod Higgins,
Eric Lechner. Is this the same pack? Otis Thorpe, Dominique Wilkins, Hershey Hawkins. Dallas Shrimp is like the same pack in reverse. Robert Parrish, I'm not even kidding. Tom Chambers replaces Michael Jordan in the pack. And Kevin Johnson from the Suns. That was wild. It was almost like an identical pack, but in reverse. And instead of a Michael Jordan All-Star, it was Tom Chambers. We'll just organize your bulk here. Get back to the cracking the wax here. Oh, there we go. Terry, Sam Bowie, Rex Chapman, Liddell Eccles, Winston Garland, Tim Hardaway, Hanson, I'm not seeing it. Hakeem Olajuwon base card, nice. Spud Webb. He's your height, Everett. Mike Kaminsky, Mike Sanders, Kevin McHale, and
Charles
Barkley All-Star card, very nice. Interesting that MJ's in his All-Star attire, but Charles is just wearing his Sixers uniform.
All right.
Tim Perry. Trent Tucker.
And that's
okay, so 3 packs in, I think. 7 packs to go. Everett doesn't like to stack very well here, so I have to come back in and clean up after him. He's a messy stacker. Okay. Oh, getting a lot of Everett's head there. There we go. Mitch Richmond. Hey, we're going to possibly see him soon at Hinkle Fieldhouse as St. John's comes in and plays Butler, so we'll keep that card. Sam Vincent.
Charles
Shackelford.
Kelly Trupuka. Derek McKee.
Pooh Bear Richardson.
Todd
Lighty. Rod Strickland. Alvin Robertson. Sam Poikins. Wayman Tisdale. Billy Thompson. Mark Price. Cliff Robinson. Michael Thompson. All right, 4 packs in, 6 to go, I think. Let's keep it going. The hunt for more Michael Jordans continues. I mean, basically, if the Bulldog Brothers are busting vintage packs, we're strictly looking for MJ. Brad Doherty turned NASCAR TV analyst. Willie Anderson, Jeff Grayer, Rolando Blackman, Dana Barros, Randy Brewer, Michael Adams, Nick Anderson, Mookie Blaylock, Tyrone Muggsy Bogues, Mark O'Leary, I don't know, Benoit Benjamin, Manute Bull, Theodore Edwards, Vernon Cornbread Maxwell. So I think we're halfway through the break here of these 1990 Fleer basketball cards. And these are probably the creme de la crop so far. Let's see if we can keep it going here.
Del Curry.
Del Curry again. Harvey Grant. Uh-oh. We're getting like the same pack over
Ron
again.
Harper.
This is like the third time we've gotten this pack.
Eric.
Otis Thorpe. Dominique Wilkins. Yep. Hershey Hawkins. We could have called that. Detlef Shrimp. Robert Parrish. Yep. And Charles Barkley. We've pretty much gotten this pack before, which is sort of weird. They must have had some sort of system to packing these.
Tucker.
Dennis the Menace Rodman and Cliff Robinson. So you get a run of cards there that looks very similar. Hunting more MJs. Let's see what we can do.
Tim Hardaway. Robert
Hanson.
Hakeem Olajuwon. Spud Webb.
Mike, we've seen this pack before as well.
Mike Sanders.
Kevin McHale. John Stockton. All-Star. Tim Perry. Cliff Robinson. Oh, Trent Tucker.
Dennis Rodman.
Dennis the Menace. Cliff Robinson. Michael Thompson. Stacey King of the Bulls. Little throwback there. Wayman Tisdale. Well, we scored an MJ in that first pack and have run into no luck since. The world dried up on us. Got, what, 3 or 4 packs to go here, so let's see what we can do. Okay, who do we have here? Rick Mahorn, Mitchell Wiggins. All right, Kevin Willis, Herb Williams, Rick Smits of your Indiana Pacers, Jim Paxson, brother to John, Nate McMillan, Kenny Walker, Skywalker, Orlando Woolridge, oh, back there, John Sally, Buck Williams, there's Orlando, John Paxson, Jump Shot John Paxson, one of my childhood favorites. I'm keeping that card ever. Yes, sirree. Jump Shot Johnny Paxson. Yeah, I'm keeping that one. Buck Johnson. Okay, what do we got? 2 packs to go, and see what we can come up with here. Otis Smith, Dennis Hobson, Armand Gillen, Tom Hammonds, Danny Manning, Sarunas Masaronis, Rick Mahorn, Mitchell Wiggins, Kevin Willis, Herb Williams, Rick Smits, Nate McMillan, Jim Paxson, Nate McMillan, now coach of the Pacers, Kenny Skywalker, and 1 pack to go. Oh, not MJ, but MJ's right-hand man, Scottie Pippen. Very nice. Definitely hold on to that guy.
Marquess.
Blair Rasmussen, Terry T. John Williams, Karl Malone, the mailman. Take that. Purvis Short. Checklist. Come on. Boo. Darrell Walker. Jeff Malone. Charles Smith, Mitch Richmond, pull that sucker out in case we see him. Sam Vincent, Charles Shackelford, and that does it, folks. So this was definitely the hit of the 10-pack opening. You got Master. You can hold that, Master Everett, if you want. You can even smile like, I got me an MJ. pretty nice card. It only took us 1 pack to do it.
Yep.
The other 9 didn't yield too much. A couple Charles Barkley All-Stars, and then I thought the Scottie Pippen was nice. The rest are just John Paxson, just personal favorite. But it's not all for naught, because at Indy Card Exchange, our local card shop, the deal of the week
Look,
is
it
the
says 5 of 12.
okay.
Five
Speak
of
normal.
12.
The deal of the week. Careful with that MJ, buddy. Let's not handle it too much. Is the Upper Deck Collector's Choice NBA team set for the Chicago Bulls,
And NHL hockey.
circa
And this
1997. It is running for $2. So we're gonna pick up a couple of these. So we scored another couple MJs today, which is awesome. So that's about it from our local card shop, Indy Card Exchange. You can follow these guys at Ball Card Exchange on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. MJ is going to help us sign off with Everett. And as always, as we always say,
Go Dogs.
go Dogs.